We stayed at Rome Horseshoe Bend in Page, Arizona in early September 2025 for 2 nights. The total for 2 nights was around $162, and that included a Good Sam discount. We knew it was going to be hot and we wanted to have hookups for AC. Rome Horseshoe Bend is in a great location close to several must-see places, including, of course, Horseshoe Bend, the Glen Canyon Dam, both of which we visited. And by the way, I'll include a bit more about those at the end, but also a lot of other places like Lake Powell Grand View overlook Upper and Lower Antelope Canyon. And here is a site map if you'd like to take a screenshot, but let's get on with the tour. There are 3 bathhouses and showers. Oh, there's a water bottle refill thing here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 showers in this building, and there's 3 of these buildings. And then we have the laundry, which you can pay by credit card. You can download the app, and I think you can pay cash because there are point slots. There's 4 dryers and 4 washers in each of the laundry rooms. And I used them, and they worked great. A little bit of a seating area. I've never seen such a nice campground shower. I mean, look at this glass. And they even provide soaps and stuff. Wow, and it's a big room, so you have the potty and the sink. Nice. Okay. The bathhouse I just showed is bathhouse 2, and this is site 51. And goes down around there. And then this site is 49. All of the sites have picnic tables and full hookups and a little fire pit. The campground is, or RV park rather, is pretty new, so all of the landscaping, the trees are really small. And we're here in September and it's been very hot, so you don't get any shade, but the rest of the time of year it's probably pretty nice. This down here is our sites 52 to 71. If I get a chance to drive down there, I'll show you, but I'm not sure I'll have time to do that. There's this beautiful mesa here. This is kind of the backside. Like over here at that end is where the office and check-in is, and the highway. And then all the way to the back is this side. This is where we're staying. And it's cool. You can walk up there. And the location is just great. I mean, you're super close, like 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes away from Horseshoe Bend. And by the way, if you ever get out there and haven't been there, make sure you go to the visitor center, because behind the visitor center is a gorgeous view of Glen Canyon Dam. So this is our site right here. We're in site 76. A beautiful sunset we're starting to get. This is number 23 on the end, and the numbers go back and forth. So it's 24. Sorry, I'm going to turn around. So 23, 21, 19, so on. And over here we have 24, 22, 20. These are all the same. So if you're looking at this row, the size is the same, 18 and 16. And then there we have 19, this one's 17, 15, that'd be 13. And there's 14, 12, and so on. So I'm doing this a little bit backwards. That's bathhouse number 1. And I'm coming from behind the office. So I'm going to walk to the front where you'll see the office where you would check in. Here's the main road where you would come in. This is all staff maintenance stuff. But right here is where you pull up with your RV and then come check in right here at the office. There's this courtyard. They have a little cafe here, and they said it's open every day, but we came on a Tuesday, and she goes, oh, it's closed today and tomorrow. So it might be seasonal, or I don't know why it was closed for 2 days, but it is going to be open again. And all this nice area and their pool, and I'm going to go over there and show you, but let's go back to the office area. They do have ice. Right now it was $3 a bag, I think. September 25. I think the office is probably closed. Oh, maybe not. Okay, I want to go in and film but not talk because I don't want to be disruptive. Hi. See you later, alligators. Okay, so let's go on the front. All right, okay. If you didn't hear that, she said they locked that side because of the wind. It's been windy today, so that's fine. Oh, I do need to go around the other side to show you the pool. But here's the front entrance. Again, a couple of handicapped parking spaces. And we'll go around the other side. So before I showed you the office, I showed you that was the bathhouse number 1. So it's just like the other one, the showers and the washer and dryers. This is the only grass area, but I'm so thankful for it because we were able to bring our dog over here to go potty. They have bags for you. They have a doggy area, but she said it didn't have any grass, and so I didn't even check it out. Oh, so let me show you. There's a fire pit, really cute. It's a really nice patio area. The other side of the office, that's the door I tried to come through that was locked. And we didn't even use the pool because it's so hot. Is it? Oh, it might be closed. I forgot what time it closes, but here you go. Really nice. There's a little step platform there. So it's actually starting to get dark, so I apologize. I usually do this earlier, but we've had such a busy schedule that I forgot. And so I'm gonna go get our truck and just kind of drive slowly around so you can see some of the other sites. This is row 86 to 94. That's 86, 87. Oh, now these are not, they don't go back and forth from side to side. 86, 87. Hi. 88. And so on. 89. Nice long sites here. Those are the ones that I showed you before I went to the office. So if you want to go back to that, and I was telling you the numbers there. Because it doesn't have a number on this side. Sorry. That is 90, 91, 92. Look at that cloud, how cool. 93 and 94. So this is that back row. Oh, trash areas are dispersed all over the place. Really nice, easy access. Like we have one right, there's another one right there. I think it's well laid out in terms of the showers and 3 laundry. That's nice. So I'm going to get the truck and go for a quick drive and show you around a little bit more before it gets too dark to see anything. I may not be able to call out all the numbers, obviously, since I'm driving. But I don't even see any of the numbers right now. Oh, there it is. So that's number 80. So the numbers are going up here. And again, these are all pretty much the same size. So if the one you're looking at is not empty as you're looking online, know that they're about the same, at least within a section. And I know when we made our reservation, we chose a site category, and they said that the number that you get, the actual site is not guaranteed. So here is the 3rd bathhouse down at this end, and right now it's been closed for repairs, but I'm sure they'll get that taken care of. My husband climbed up that hill today, and he was talking about tiny houses, which I had not seen. They're called cabins. Oh, you know, let's see. Let's go down there if I can. Show them to you. Well, this looks like a permanent home. So maybe staff. Wow, smelling really strong propane down here. There's C12. So here's all the cabins. Don't know too much about the inside of them, but they're just this small loop down here at the end. This one is C4. I see we have chairs and a barbecue and a picnic table. This is C2 and C1. Back to regular RV sites. These look a little smaller here, just past the cabins. Smaller in terms of length. And we've got a whole, this place is huge. We've got a whole nother end down here. Now this is gorgeous. I mean, look at that. It's looking out into that field. Desert. Gorgeous. Got another loop here. I'm not even sure what direction I'm supposed to go. Oh yeah, there we go. So we'll go to the right, like normal people driving. Look at that sandstone back there. It's so beautiful. It really is a beautiful place. Oh, I said that already, but and it is a very dark sky area, so you can see the stars at night. It was a full moon last night and we could still see the stars, even though the moon was illuminating it quite a bit. Illuminating outside, like, it's just really pretty. So I think that's gonna go back out to the main road. So I'm gonna go this way, see if I can name some of these numbers here. There you go. Oops, very. Okay, the one on this end is 202. This is facing this mesa here, obviously, and the road is just that way. Still quite windy. Okay, we're back at the pool area. Sorry it's dark. Hope it was helpful. Horseshoe Bend is just about 10 minutes away from the RV park. And while there is no fee to visit Horseshoe Bend, you do have to pay $10 for parking as it is owned by the city. The trail to the overlook is 1.5 miles total out and back. And they say the best time to go is sunset, but we went there just after sunrise to beat the heat and it felt pretty perfect. Another must stop is the Carl Hayden Visitor Center at the Glen Canyon Dam. There are exhibits about the dam's construction and history of the Colorado River Basin. And the building is circular shaped with breathtaking views of the dam. But be sure to walk around the building outside and look down. It's very beautiful. And you can also walk over the bridge for more spectacular views. There's a pedestrian sidewalk, so it's really cool. Well, I hope this was helpful, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.